And we're underway. And Mount Pleasant will kick us off. Has not really been in the starting lineup. There's Jackson St. Nord, has a shot at goal, and that's blocked brilliantly by Silvera. Here's Joseph, brilliantly beats Thomas. Ball to St. Nord, to Nugent, shot from distance, and that's calmly collected. Ball down the wing. Joseph again, but he loses. It's out there. Ball through. To Celestine. Oh, and a rather tame effort. Loses the ball out in the middle of the park. And Douglas! What a goal! Jaheim Douglas with yet another goal in this competition, and he breaks out again. Let's jump, break forward. Celestine to his right. Beats his defender yet again. To Douglas. Oh, good shot. And that is saved. Straight down the middle, though, for the goal by Douglas. But the referee says play on. Joseph. Oh, lovely ball for Celestine. And Kyle Samuels. Valiant effort there to win the ball back for Ballaz Academy. On Daniel Thomas, lovely turn there. Has a chance to strike a goal. And that's way out. Here. And beats him again. Lovely show of speed and control from Celestine thus far. He finds Douglas. Gets it back to Celestine. Would definitely be looking to take him on. Morel gets past him again. Gets past another. Pass into... Oh! Attempted back heel from Jackson there. Dijon Hoyang standing over this free kick for Ballaz Academy. Ball delivered in. It's headed. Joseph has a chance. Deflected away. The shot by Connie Douglas. Cleared out. Hussey attempting to volley that one. But Mount Pleasant are clear. Can Celestine catch it? He got to it. And he can break. His counter-attacks look dangerous. Can Celestine beat his man yet again? Gets past Morrill. Passes it back to Jump, who leaves it for Nugent. And unfortunately, the attack breaks down. Position in the middle of the park. Lynch looking for Jackson. Finds him. There's Jump. Gets it back to Celestine. Another round of one. And just Jump. The referee has pointed to the spot. And that is a penalty to Mount Pleasant. They have the opportunity. And Miguel Joseph will step across to take this one instead. Joseph shot at goal. Keeper spills it and headed. Nugent tries to get the goal here, but he'll just... Joseph shot at goal. Keeper spills it and headed. Nugent tries to get the goal here, but he'll just have to settle for the one. Celestine yet again beating his man. Cross into the box there from Flinch. Oh, an attempted bicycle kick from St. Nord. Unfortunately, can't call free kick here to Mount Pleasant. Looks like should be juiceable over this one. Free kick taken, headed on onto the crossbar. Mount Pleasant still have possession. Just gotten away by Kenil Jackson. Ali Garrick's trying to find Richard Clark, but so far today he's had little to no service. Trying to feed Celestine, but eventually finds him. Can have a shot at goal here. Oh, and the shot goes just into the side netting. This game. Even straight from the kickoff, Mount Pleasant with a press, and it's Raheem Douglas. This gets cleared away. Joseph strike from distance, and goalkeeper does well. That had an almost a unfortunate corner kick. Celestine, corner taken. There's Byron, and that's a goal. And Chevon Byron off the bench today, but gets yet another goal in this competition. Instinctive finish there. Clothes aren't. His kit is dirty. And given the industrious nature of his performance, that is understandable. And it's Chevon Byron looking for a second of the game. Oh, lovely work there. Almost getting Mount Pleasant's 5th of the game. Nugent to Gibson. Tries to beat his defender. Fortunately loses out. Mount Pleasant immediately win the ball back. So dominant in possession. And lovely work there by Jaheim Douglas to beat his defender. Flicks it lovely. Gibson trying to beat his man. Gets it back to Chevon Byron. Trying to cross it, but that is blocked. Cross into the box. Aiming for Samuel Taylor. That's headed away by Silveira. Oh, lovely strike there. But to the top of the table, commanding, decisive 4-0 victory over Ballaz Academy, thanks to goals in the first half from Jaheim Douglas and from the penalty spot, Claver Nugent. And then in the second half, Franco Celestine with a well-deserved goal after such a great performance. And the final goal was scored by substitute Chevon Byron.